Hey everybody, this is Misty 2001.
And this is FC7.
And today we're going to show you how to make Keto Chia seed chocolate pudding. The ingredients you will need are cocoa powder, almond milk, chia seeds, and some sort of sweetener like stevia, xylitol, or something like that.
Try to say the name of this one 3 times fast.
Yeah, no kidding.
So where did you find out about this one?
I actually found it on the internet. I had Googled chia seed recipes.
Okay.
So this is pretty much everything that you're going to need. We decided to use a blender. I tried to use a big measuring cup, but everything didn't fit. So you're going to need 4 cups of almond milk.
And here you are pouring it into the measuring cup.
That I tried to stir everything in. Didn't work.
I never had almond milk before. Is it good?
No? Yeah, it's actually really good. So then you'll need 1/3 of a cup of cocoa powder, or if you like more chocolate, you can add more than that.
I think I'd choose more chocolate because I like my things chocolatey.
Yeah, it actually wasn't too bad when I tried it this morning. And one thing actually that I forgot to add, it is an overnight chocolate pudding. So you're going to want to leave it in the refrigerator overnight.
Which we show later on in the video.
Yeah.
So there's your sweetener.
Yeah. I used Truvia for this video. Which, did you know, is actually made from a stevia plant?
I had no idea.
Yeah. So it's actually healthier for you.
Can you use regular sugar? Or?
You can, but then it wouldn't be keto.
No. That makes sense.
It's got way more carbs in it. Regular sugar does anyway. So I used 1/2 cup of chia seeds. You can use more or less to taste. Actually, chia seeds don't have a taste to them.
So one question I had was, can you taste the seeds in the pudding?
You taste... You've got the texture of them, but you don't. It doesn't taste any.
So it's not like seedy. You don't taste a lot of the seeds.
Like I said, you've got the texture of your seeds, but you don't have, like, there's no taste to the seeds, so it doesn't, like, make it taste all healthy.
Okay. So in this part, you whipped up the mixture and then...
Yep, I tried to do it. I tried to stir it in the big measuring cup that we had, but it didn't work. There was too much in the pitcher. So I decided to switch it and use the blender, which worked really well. I would highly recommend that.
On to the next part, you have these little glasses.
Yep, they are 4-ounce mason jars. Found at any local retailer.
That's right, mason jars. Okay.
Yep.
So there's the mixture. Nice and bubbly. Then you just pour the mixture into each 4-ounce mason jar?
Yep. I would stop when you get to, like, that first line. You kind of see what I'm...
Yeah, I was going to ask you about that, where you stop.
Yeah, I wouldn't fill it completely up. I would leave a little bit of space.
Or else you'll have overflow?
No. It just doesn't look good.
Okay. That works. So here, all of them filled. And the trick is putting this cap on.
Yeah. So you use that little sealer type thing. I don't know, the lid. And then you've got the cover itself. I think this was the most time-consuming part of our project.
So one question I had was, do people use this mainly as a dessert?
You can actually use it as a dessert, or you can eat it for breakfast. You know, it's such a small portion that you can eat it whenever. And actually, it travels really well.
So this is it 24 hours later after it just came out of the refrigerator.
It did. Yeah. And you'll notice that it's not as thick as normal pudding is. But needless to say, it's still good.
And that should just about do it for this video. Are there any final thoughts on this one? I haven't tasted it personally, but you can pretty much vouch for the taste.
Yeah, it's really good.
Great. Well, then I think that should just about do it. If any questions, comments, leave them below.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe.
So we'll be getting out of here. There's a thunderstorm heading for the Quick Cooking Studios. I don't know if you heard the thunder before.
It's rolling on in.
Okay, bye-bye.